Hello guys, AlexTheGrumpyOne here today. I hope you're well. So today I got a quick video for you guys on my new tool. So this is the Draper Tools brake fluid tester. So this is the new tool I got now, and I just wanted to share it with you because it's a brilliant tool to have. It's like a little pen pretty much that you use to check your brake fluid in your car, see if it's due to service or not, because as you know, the brake fluid will attract moisture, and when you got moisture inside the system, that's not good for you because it reduces the brake performance, and it will also contribute to corrosion of your brake pipes or failure eventually. So today I just wanted to unpack the tool and obviously show you how it works and explain it, and also do a quick demo on my car that I got here to show you what readings you'll get with this. Right guys, so here we got the tool. Let's just unpack it quickly. You got the battery that comes with it and the manual there. Just check it quickly how everything works. It's nice and easy guys, it's really simple to use. So on the side here you got 8 different types of brake fluid that you can test with it, which is great. So you're going to select the number on there. You got 8 different lights that will light up. So let's get the battery in first and check obviously if it's working. There we go. There you go. Just press the power button and the lights came on. So you got the switch button at the top that will go through all the options that you can get. As you can see, it's changing the numbers. So this is the type of the brake fluid you're using. So number 2 is the most common one, which is .4, as you can see there. So all you have to do now is take the bottom cover off and place that in your brake fluid, and that will show you on the graph there what is the condition of your brake fluid and how much humidity actually got in it. So let's just do the demo now and check my car's brake fluid. Right guys, so here we are. We got the brake fluid bottle there. Let's just get the cap off to get access to the brake fluid. Get the cap off at the bottom and just turn it on. The light comes on. It also helps you inspect the brake fluid inside. So let's just dip it in there. As you can see, we got .4, which is the brake fluid got in here, and it come up with okay, but just on the level. So if we would have had the 3rd yellow light there, or the 4th, that means the brake fluid is not good and it needs servicing. So as you can see, it's nice and easy. Just get it out of there and clean it. Right, while we're here guys, one thing I want to mention is just to be careful is when you're taking it out, make sure you don't drip any of the brake fluid on the bodywork on paint, because that will damage your paint. In case you did drip some on the paint, then please clean it off with water or brake cleaner. Right guys, so here we are, got the tool back again. Obviously replaced the brake fluid. Now I've topped it up with new brake fluid, and just to see how it works, obviously power it up again, selected the right brake fluid type, and let's dip it in there to see if it's any better. And here we are guys, so the results are much better, way below 1%, so that's a good result. Like I said, it definitely shows you that the tool works well, and we got rid of all the moisture that we had in the system. So I would say that's job done. Right guys, so as you can see, nice and easy to use. Less than 10 seconds in there and you got your results. So that brake fluid was good in this case. So like I said, the tool comes ready to use. All you have to do is just put the battery in, select the right option of the brake fluid that you got, and to do that, just check it on top cover of your brake fluid bottle or in the manual, owner's manual, and it will tell you which brake fluid type you got in there, just to get the more accurate reading. So I've checked it also on the bad brake fluid in the other car, and it comes up with 3% or 4 or more, and in that case you do need to replace the brake fluid to avoid any brake related issues, because like I say, you don't want to have water in your brake fluid system. So yeah guys, if you like this video, then please give us a like. If there's any other product that you would like me to show you or do a demo on or review, then please let me know. I'm going to put the link to this one in the description below. Check it out. They got other winter check products that you can see. I'm going to be doing a video on quite a wide range of their winter check products, so have a look at that as well. And I'm going to be using quite a lot of them on this car as well in my videos on the Celica. So please do have a look. Like I said, it's definitely handy stuff to have if you want to do a quick check on your car. And all of them are easy to use as well. So yeah guys, let me know what you think, comment below, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.